Chair. I want to know, I was just wondering, is this just because y'all have such growth going on over there? Or because I'm not hearing anything. In fact, I thought in Baxter County some of them had gone down. And that's why I was wondering if it's growth that's creating some of the problem.
There's no question growth is creating part of the problem. That's very, very true. You know, and again, I can't speak for every county in the state. You could speak more, you know, more so for your county than I could. And there are a lot of counties that there's not growth, and in fact there's a decrease in growth, and so property values have gone down. And this isn't a problem that exists in all 75 counties. I would think where you're from, if you looked at your county budgets and your school budgets and compared them last year to this next year, and you see a pretty good windfall, it'd be a pretty good indication of what's going on there. And again, people who have onesies and twosies, they get a 20% increase. They usually just pay it and go on because it's just not hard work to fight. But those are some telltale signs. But we're seeing it in Northwest Arkansas tremendously. And you know, when you take 2 or 3 months of your revenue on rental income or your cash flow and you pay it in property taxes, that's before you pay insurance, that's before you pay maintenance, that's before you pay your bank note, that's before you pay interest. You know what? Part of the problem I have, you know, we got these kids graduating college, they're coming out trying to find jobs. It's hard. You know, there's in my business, in real estate development, in property management, in construction, there's so many barriers to entry. These poor kids getting out of school, they don't have a prayer. Hey, if I had to start over today, I couldn't enter the market. Too many barriers to entry. You have to have access to capital. You've got to meet all the rules of the planning and zoning commissions and the city boards and the county planning. You know, in Northwest Arkansas, we have county planning commissions, you know, as well as city planning commissions. Most counties don't have that either, but boy, we got them up there, and there's tremendous regulation. And I've had, you know, if I want to develop a piece of property on a, you know, go through large-scale development, it's not unusual for me to have to spend 6 months and $20,000 just to go through the approval process, just to say, okay, you can buy a building permit. It's regulation out the kazoo. But people, there's too many barriers to entry. We need to be helping these young people go into business for themselves and to create small business. And you can't do it anymore. You can't afford to borrow the money, pay your property taxes, pay your insurance, pay your maintenance, and have anything left over. If you can't make a living, you're better off going to work for county government or city government or the state. It's a far better, more lucrative deal. And it's kind of sad because this country was built on free enterprise and capitalism and small business, and we're losing it. And you can see it from the national level in the political elections that are going on and all the campaigns. You know, our world's changing. It's changing. Not necessarily for the better.
So we're going to move on. I appreciate that.